Here is your step-by-step guide for clearing objects in your house. So let's use this as an example. Let's say a friend of yours gave this to you, and then soon after you received this gift, you had a falling out and you're no longer in communication. What can you do? Do you have to throw this out, or can you keep it and do a few rituals in order to make sure that the energy of that past relationship is no longer with you or with this object? So let's dive in. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist, and this question came from one of my kundalini yoga teachers in training. And so I thought I'd use it as inspiration to talk to all of you about what you can do about stuff like this. So let's say this is the object that you want to clear. There is 4 steps, maybe 5. The first one is to have an intention to clear it. And in that intention to clear it, you are sitting with it, observing the energy that was given in this gift, and also having the intention to keep it, and then also releasing the person who gave it to you. So there's a number of different things that you can sit down with step 1 and set an intention. The second one is to have some kind of cleansing ceremony. And the way to do that is to think about all of the different earthly elements. So it could be a water ceremony where you wash it with salt water, for example, or you wash it just with plain water. You could use fire or smoke from a fire to cleanse it. You could bury it in earth. I have a few plants here sitting in my office. You could put it in a plant and leave it there for a couple of days and let the plant and the earth take care of the energy of it. You could do it with air. So understanding how wind might be a way to clear that, and ether, which is the intention that we already sat with. So that's step number 2, is to think about a way that you could use to cleanse it. And maybe something has come to your mind already. The third one is to call in each of the directional forces. So the spirit of the east and the west and the north and the south to come in and extract or to release or to absolve. And because all of these are natural elements interacting with another element, you'll find that that works really well as well. The fourth one is then to actually interact with the object and ask it, do you want to stay with me? Do you have a place with me? Or is it better if I regift? Is it better if I let it go? And listening carefully to the answer from this item is going to give you probably the best answer you could get out of all of that. And then finally, listening to that intuition from the element itself, from the object itself. And so those are 5 ways to sit in ritual and to think about the items in your space, the things that are holding memory, and to really interact with them in a way that allows what's highest and best to come through. I hope that was helpful. If you found it helpful, please share it with a friend, give a like, give a follow, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What did you use this technique to cleanse? What is in your life that you want to keep and you need to clear first? Lots of love. Until next time, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist. See you soon.